Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0501 indicates an issue with the continuous variable transmission CVT speed sensor circuit, specifically relating to its range or performance. This error affects the CVT speed sensor and the transmission control module, TCM, both crucial for the accurate reading of the vehicle's speed and smooth operation of the transmission. The CVT speed sensor is located in the transmission assembly, where it measures the rotational speed of the transmission. This data is sent to the TCM to ensure optimal performance and fuel efficiency. If the TCM detects an inconsistency in the signal from the speed sensor, it will trigger the DTC P0501, leading to potential complications in the transmission's operation. Before initiating any troubleshooting, it's essential to note that this error stems from an electrical issue and not a mechanical failure within the transmission, highlighting the importance of proper electrical connections and sensor functioning. The CVT speed sensor plays a vital role in measuring the speed of the transmission and directly influencing the vehicle's overall performance. This sensor is typically positioned within the transmission assembly to ensure precise readings, which are critical for engine management and transmission engagement. The TCM, or Transmission Control Module, processes these speed readings to control the transmission's operation effectively. When this circuit experiences issues, DTC P0501 is set, indicating a range or performance problem. This DTC makes it clear that any malfunctions likely originate from electrical connections rather than any mechanical aspects of the transmission. Understanding the interplay between the CVT speed sensor and TCM is essential for successful troubleshooting. The common causes of DTC P0501 primarily relate to electrical issues in the system. One significant cause is a fault within the electrical circuit, which may arise from corrosion or damaged wiring. Poor connections between the CVT speed sensor and TCM can prevent proper signal transmission, which is crucial for the operation of the transmission. Additionally, loose terminals can lead to intermittent connections that disrupt the flow of information between the sensor and TCM. These electrical problems can create a scenario where the TCM cannot accurately receive or interpret the signals from the CVT speed sensor, resulting in a performance range malfunction. Identifying and resolving these electrical concerns is vital for rectifying DTC P0501. Symptoms associated with DTC P0501 can manifest as noticeable performance issues in the transmission. One primary symptom is erratic speeds, where the vehicle may not respond as expected to throttle inputs. Drivers might also experience unusual shifting patterns or hesitation during acceleration, indicating that the TCM is receiving incorrect data regarding the vehicle's speed. Additionally, warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to potential transmission issues. In more severe cases, the transmission may enter fail-safe mode, limiting the vehicle's performance and requiring immediate attention. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for timely repair and to avoid further damage. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0501 involves turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position, which powers the vehicle's systems without starting the engine. Following this, it is essential to clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, which resets the error codes and allows for accurate assessments. Once cleared, safely raise the vehicle on a lift, ensuring it is securely supported to allow for free rotation of all four wheels. This preparation is crucial as it facilitates testing the vehicle under specific conditions to replicate the DTC. After this, the technician needs to enter the Vehicle Stability Assist (VSA) maintenance mode, which alters the performance parameters of the vehicle for testing. Running the engine at 1000 RPMs with the shift lever in D position enables careful observation of the sensor's performance post-DTC clearance. The next step in troubleshooting DTC P0501 involves inspecting the connections between the CVT speed sensor and the TCM. Technicians should look for any signs of poor connections, such as corrosion, fraying, or loose wires that could impair signal transmission. It is equally important to verify that the speed sensor is installed correctly according to the manufacturer's specifications. If the connections and installation are confirmed to be satisfactory, the next logical step is to replace the CVT speed sensor itself, as it may be malfunctioning despite appearing correctly attached. Conversely, if issues with connections or installation are found, repairing these discrepancies should take precedence. Proper scrutiny in this phase is critical to ensure that the electrical components are functioning optimally. After completing the necessary repairs, it is vital to perform a final verification process to ensure that the issue with DTC P0501 has been resolved. Start by reconnecting the HDS to check for any new DTCs, ensuring no outstanding errors remain after repairs. Next, conduct a test drive of the vehicle under various driving conditions to observe if the transmission operates smoothly without any warning lights or erratic behavior. It's crucial that the vehicle responds as expected during the drive, showcasing effective communication between the CVT speed sensor and the TCM. Ensuring the vehicle has returned to normal operation before concluding repairs is imperative to guarantee the integrity and safety of the vehicle's transmission system. Preventative maintenance is key to preventing DTC P0501 and ensuring long-term performance of the CVT system. Regular inspections of the wiring associated with the CVT speed sensor can help identify early signs of wear or damage that could lead to significant performance issues. Moreover, routinely cleaning electrical connections is essential to minimize the risk of corrosion, which can impede signal flow. Ensuring that the CVT speed sensor performs within specification by conducting periodic checks can keep the transmission functioning correctly. Preventative measures like these not only extend the life of the sensor, but also enhance overall vehicle reliability. It is advisable to develop a maintenance schedule that aligns with the vehicle's use to catch potential issues before they escalate. In conclusion, DTC P0501 signifies an electrical issue within the CVT speed sensor circuit and is unrelated to mechanical malfunctioning in the transmission. Understanding the role of the CVT speed sensor and TCM is critical in diagnosing and rectifying this issue. Effective troubleshooting steps, beginning with a thorough inspection of electrical connections, pave the way for identifying the root cause of the problem. After making the necessary repairs, validation through a detailed check and test drive ensures the vehicle is operating correctly. By implementing a preventive maintenance plan focused on the electrical integrity of the CVT system, vehicle owners can avoid future occurrences of DTC P0501, keeping their Honda Accord in optimal condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.